This is October 30th, 2012. We have survived Hurricane Sandy. Everything is intact. Everyone is alive. The outside world rejects us. Nothing going on. See my car? It's right there in the black. The chair. Everything is intact. My wife is in one piece. The kitchen. As you can see, one piece. Just bought a buttload of eggs, some potatoes. About to get some breakfast going right now. A lot of people out there. Just want to say hi. We survived the storm. This is Steph. Steph, we survived Hurricane Sandy. How do you feel about this moment in history right now?
Hurricane Sandy's a bitch. You destroyed my hometown, you fucker. But I survived.
You destroyed my hometown too. I'm just fucking with you. I'm from California. Should we go see what Bart and Jasmine are doing?
I don't know.
Alright. I'm going with Steve Irwin right now. Good day. This is Dane Dominguez with Wildlife Camera. And right now we're about to creep up on a what's Bart? What is it? What's Bart? Korean? We're about to sneak up on a Korean and a half and half. Actually, I'm gonna call her a white tiger because they're white and black. So we're gonna see what's going on over there. I think I got whispering in there. Should I go in and see?
At your own risk.
Crikey, that was some good footage. They're sound asleep. Sound asleep. Nothing can wake them from their natural slumber.